My name's Cayleigh. I'm a personal trainer, just graduated. It'll be a year in December now. So I reached out to Martin because I wanted to not only be able to help myself deal with my stress management and my emotions, but also be able to help my clients and get them to also help manage their stress, as I feel there's so much more to health than just exercise alone.
So before we were working together, how did you feel with your emotions? What were the main issues that were rising up for you there that you wanted to kind of manage a bit better?
Felt I didn't have control over them. So I would get very overwhelmed with my emotions. I could feel my chest tightening, and then I would just cry. I'm very good at just crying. So I think that was the biggest thing for me, was be able to come to you and make sure when I'm feeling I'm getting overwhelmed, be able to calm myself. And if I cry, but it's just not feeling so out of control with it is what I did before.
So if you were to describe how you feel now compared to 8 weeks ago, what would that be as a quick summary?
A lot calmer and a lot more in control. So, yeah, with my emotions, I can feel them better, if that makes sense. So I don't feel like I'm so out of control. When they start to come, I accept them and process them a lot better, so that I don't feel overwhelmed.
Yeah. And what would you say are the biggest key learnings that you've taken away from the coaching together?
I think just to be calm and, take time for myself and prioritize it a lot more. So obviously a lot of the tools that we went through, I was aware, some of them I wasn't, but it's just also having that accountability from you to be like, right, every week I'm going to be like, have you done all your tasks? And to have that bit of accountability and kind of forced me to be like, I've got to do this task. Because, when you're learning a habit, it's hard to get it going until, someone keeps you accountable. So having that accountability also really helped to, I had to be like, yes, I have to do this. And doing the task really, really helped. And I could feel the difference. So having those tools to take away after the 8 weeks as well, knowing I'm like, right, I know this helps, so I'm going to keep doing it.
And is it a program that you recommend to people?
Oh, definitely. I would recommend it to everyone. My clients as well. I've recommended you to a few of my clients who really struggle with stress and high stressful work situations, and just even I can give them the basics and hopefully help them to breathe and do all that. But I think having you and your knowledge is way better than me. Even though I'm glad I've done it and I can help my clients, it's obviously a lot better having you guide them through it.